All right, good day. Today we want to talk about investing in federal government of Nigeria savings bonds for passive income, the June 2025 offer. So every month, the federal government bring out a savings bond for investment. Right, so my name is Chimex, so Simon, you can call me Uncle Chimex. I had to do this video because month June have started running fast, and this bond is going to be expiring in few days. It's not something that lasts for long, it's just for few days. So that if you're interested in it, you can give it a push. All right, so what are our learning objectives? Our learning objective is to understand what the federal government saving board is and how it works, identify the features of the June 2025 bond offer, learn the investment process and requirements, calculate potential returns from the bond, and appreciate the value of low risk investment because it's a low risk investment. So, what is federal government of Nigeria savings bond? It is a government issued debt instrument which provides quarterly interest payment and is also designed for retail investors with a tenor of about 2 to 3 years. That means you're saving with the federal government for about 2 to 3 years, and the minimum investment is 5,000 naira. So you don't even need more. So that means you can just give the federal government 5,000 naira and they pay you quarterly for the next 2 years or 3 years a particular percentage. So we'll get to that. Now, we are in June. This video is about the June 2025 offer details. So this is opening on June 2nd, which was yesterday. It opened on June 2nd, which was yesterday. The video is published as of 3rd June 2025, and the closing date is on the 6th of June 2025. So, and the recommended investment deadline is June 5th. So I'm going to recommend that you do this before June 5th if you want to participate in it. And the settlement date is June 11th. That means that if you pay this money today or tomorrow or next tomorrow or before the 6th of June, this money starts counting from June 11th, 2025 for 2 years or 3 years. So it depends on what you have. This usually comes up every month, the first and second day of the month. So what is the interest rate like? So payments are made quarterly. Every three months, you're going to be getting your percentage. So the percentage for 2 year tenor is 16.121%, and the percentage for 3 year tenor is 17.121%. So what does it entail? For 2 year, they're not going to just pay you 16.121% for the 2 years. No, it's an annual interest rate. 16.121% for year one, 16.121% for year two, but you are paid every quarter. Do you understand? The same thing with 3 years. 3 years is 17.121%, and you're also paid every quarter for 3 years. Now, what is the coupon payment schedule? This is what the schedule looks like. So you're going to be paid if things start counting on June 11, you're going to be paid 4 times annually for 2 or 3 years. And these are the dates you are going to be paid. So the good thing about federal government savings bond is that you know the exact date you are going to be paid your interest. Even if they don't pay that day, it won't exceed the next day or the next 2 days. So on March 11th, June 11th, September 11th, December 11th, you get profit. So if you have money you're not using, it's something you can invest in if you're interested in it. So how do you invest? So you must use a licensed brokerage firm. And if you're investing, you must also have an open CSCS number. You must open a CSCS and Clearing House account. So if you're someone that wants to invest in the Nigerian Stock Exchange all these bonds, mutual fund, no, in stocks and all that, you need to have an CSCS number and the clearing house account, CHN account. So, and then you must invest through a licensed brokerage firm. There are so many of them that do this federal government savings bond, and I'm going to also show you an example. Then you must also submit your KYC documents, all those your NIN, BVN, your name, maiden name, your mother's maiden name, all those things, you submit it, next of kin, utility bill, address. And one good thing about some of the brokerage firms is that once you register there, they process your CSCS number and clearinghouse account number automatically. Let me give you an example. In Chapel Hill Denim, I bought shares with MTN there in 2021 when they did the IPO, and they gave me a CSCS number and a clearing house account number automatically. So, which you can use for all your, this is what represents you in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Then you fund and place your order, right? So, what are the recommended platform? I just talked about Chapel Hill, Denham. So, that's what I will personally recommend. But there are other good ones, right? You can invest through Chapel Hill, Denham. You can invest through FBNQuest, owned by First Bank of Nigeria. You can invest through Blue Nest, owned by Stanbic IBTC. Then you can invest through Afri Invest. These are websites you can actually invest in. These are the recommended platforms. For me, I personally use InvestNigeria for some of my stuff. I also use, in fact, I have accounts with Chapel Hill, the name, Stanbic, IBTC, Afri Invest. I have things in each and every one of them. So it depends on what you decide. So the risk is on you. You are the one that decide what you really want. So this is a sample of return collection. So peradventure you invest 1 million naira in this. That means for a year of 3 years, you are going to be getting 171,210 naira as annual return. And this will be broken into the 4 times you are going to be paid yearly. So that means you are going to be getting, for 3 years, for example, you're going to be getting 42,802 naira 50 kobo, which will be paid to you 4 times in a year for 3 years. And the total payment is 12 payments. So for the 3 years, you're going to be paid 4 times in a year for 3 years. Is this not amazing? This is better than Ponzi scheme. All right. So, what are the benefits of the federal government saving bonds? One of the benefits is that it's secure and low risk, right? It is also backed by the federal government of Nigeria, so there's guarantee. Anything that is backed by the government, there's guarantee in it because the government is the alpha and omega in every investment in Nigeria. Then another thing is that it is predictable and there's regular income, and you don't even need to have plenty to apply or to apply for this. You can start with as minimum as 5,000 naira. So, with 5,000 naira as a minimum amount, you can actually be part of the federal government of Nigerian savings bond. So, what's the call to action? So, bonds are ideal for safe and for passive income, and you need to register before June 6th, but preferably June 5th, 2025, to be part of the federal government of Nigerian savings bond for the month of June. Then you can also visit the DMO, that's Debt Management Office website, for more information. Thank you very much. So I'm going to show you now what the website looks like. This is the website I recommend. I use see the website app.investniger.com. So that's what I use. So if you go to investment and bond, you are going to see it, federal government savings bond. That's once you've created your account and every other details in the account. So when you click here, it's open. It's currently open. As you can see, like I said in the presentation, is a minimum of 5,000 naira, and these are every details you need to know about it. 5,000 naira. So I even started it some years ago, 2023, and didn't finish it. So it's pending. All right, so you can actually invest. Click on invest now, put in the amount you want to invest, put in the tenor you want to go with, 2 years or 3 years, then put whether you're a resident or not. Then after that, you click on continue and complete the payment. So with this, I believe that I've thrown enough light on how to buy the federal government savings bond. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. I'm over.